because I spent about $117. I've got 6 of these, 92 shillings. So I'm gonna open my next video. First off, I bought today some Huggies nappy pants for training my toddler. This is on special. This is at about $8.50. This is off, I think, 50% off. So this is the brand I use to remove stain. And this is self-explanatory. This is surface spray. Alright, I also got myself Pantene 3-minute Miracle. That's that. Toothpaste for my little ones. I think I bought these for $4. They might be on special this week as well. See? Harpic Blue Power. This is actually for the toilet bowl. This is on special for $2.50, so that's half price. Without some ready-made pasta sauce. This week at Woolworths, they're half price, so I got this for like $1.50. So obviously, I bought 2. That's two for $3. Okay, this is also on special today at Woolworths. Then this must be on a half price, so $1.50 I think it is. That is on special. This is also on special. This is half the price. So for 500 mils, this is half the price, so it's $3. That's great. Morning Fresh, which I always use to wash my dishes with, so I like this brand. This is on special, half price at $2.50. I got these and I wanted to try this brand to just a facial wash. So if you have tried this brand, please let me know if this is good or not, but I don't know yet. I have to try this brand. Along with my nappies, of course, I need to get 1 baby wipes. I also got Pure Honey by Capilano. This was on special. I think it was $6, and I like this brand because it's 100% Australian, so you know that the honey is actually the honey came from Australia, not anywhere else. So I bought bread rolls. This is $2 at Woolworths. This is very fresh. My daughter already ate one of the roll. On special this week, this is on half price. That's $1. It's chocolate filled cracker sandwich, so I really like this one. On special today, I think 20% off, so I've got this Jara hot chocolate. This has 10 packs inside, and I've got these for $4 on special. This week's special is actually half price of the Up and Go chocolate breakfast drink, which my husband loves, so I bought 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, I've got milk. I actually bought 2 of these. One is already in the fridge because we have to open that for my little one wants to have some milk before filming this video for you. And I've got 4 Danone blueberry yogurt. This is actually on special, so I got this for $3 for 4 tubs, so that's half price. I'll just quickly show you. So that's how it looks like. It's actually a blueberry. So I've got 4 for $3, which is really great. Bought some oat chocolate drink for the girls in the morning, and I just quickly heat them up in the microwave, and it's really yum. I also got some Kardon tasty cheese, which is good for sandwiches. These are actually 24 slices, 24 slices for, I paid I think $6. That was great. And of course I've got these milk bottles from Woolworths. They're about $6. And this is actually, blueberries are on special this week. They are $3.50 for a punnet. I also bought 2 of these. My little one has asked one for her sister and one for her, but of course the other one she's already opened, so I've only got one for my older one. And lastly, I think I've already opened while I was driving back home. I already opened this. This was on special this week at Woolworths. I think I paid $2.50 for this one, and this is so yum. It's double espresso. So yep, yummy. It's good for a quick fix. It's good when it's cold or when it's a bit warm. It's really entirely up to you, and it fits in the car. So I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.